today we have the ultimate drop-in only game of skate with the Goliaths of drop-in only game of skate. Ricky, Jason, Nigel, JD.
Rochambeau. Oh, smoked him. No.
No. Oh, really? It's
Second.
First, second.
No way! Everybody's favorite drop-in, switch drop-in.
Switch drop-in, taking it right here. Let it be known he has new shoes and a new board.
Yeah, let it be known. Skated yesterday only.
Nigel looking good out there.
For the total.
And that right there is why I'm glad I'm not in this game of skate.
That wasn't the trick.
JD just making everybody look bad. The thing that I love the most is that he's wearing his Nerf championship jacket.
Hand between the legs, not behind the knee.
Yeah, you gotta grab it in the middle.
Like this. I mean,
What? Yeah. You just gotta grab it.
I thought he went into shrimp stance in the land.
how do you get down there?
Oh, that's okay.
See, the thing is, if I was playing, I would be out already. Think about it.
Might get a lot of.
Oh, what?
I feel like this is made for JD. Shrimp stance.
What?
He's been practicing.
Sander!
You're right.
That's why I came to stand over here. I was nervous.
All right, keep the onslaught coming, Rick.
Nigel, I'm sorry. Wow. It would be nice if he made it look like maybe it was a little bit challenging or something.
Yeah, there you go. Now let's go in.
Nigel is on his last letter. Merry Christmas, y'all.
The weird one's going.
No, it's not flush.
Well, it's much easier when you have size 15 shoes, Rick. Shrimp stands!
For Derek, though.
How did not one person get a letter on that?
That is so messed up. I actually hate all of them.
Oh, this one sucks.
I thought there was only one way to drop in. Drop in.
This is actually really scary.
This is really scary.
How do you even stretch that far?
Do it! Do it! Do it! Oh!
We are not flexible enough to touch our toes. We cannot flex. We can barely even go like that. We ain't gonna do that.
So Ricky decided to go for the throat and he successfully got one person out.
Nigel is out of there.
Oh! Jacino!
Melonious grabatory.
Melonious grabatory.
I think he meant like a, I don't know.
Melon.
Melon, all right.
Whoa!
I don't even know what's happening.
Oh!
I was scared, those shorts. Well, maybe like the skate S. Oh, get him!
There's only one rule for this trick. No knee pads.
Can we get an instant replay on that manual into the ramp?
Wait, can we get a replay of the last time Ricky tried this? Oh! Just send it, JD. Oh, that's a good idea.
Hold on.
JD just went to the World Championships and he placed 11th That means he is the best in the world.
He was number one
Wait,
twice.
watch out for that.
I know, I see.
Wait, no, JD.
Oh!
The fact that that actually worked. What is this practice session?
The game will never end.
We should call that the proposal.
Oh.
Oh, I hate that one.
How many of these tricks do you think you would have landed?
None.
Yo, this is sketch.
I love that he's trying to make everybody else feel a little better by saying like, oh, this is sketchy. It's so hard. Perfect execution every try.
I've been calling for you this whole time.
Look at what he's drinking. I mean, just chill out. Leave some water for the rest of us.
Go look at my letters. Tell me what you can do, Derek.
You're the only one with the power, Derek. Already?
I got out of the car and I got into this, all right? Don't judge me.
You came from Australia, I came from Hawaii.
I came from Texas.
Shut your mouth. To disaster.
What?
That was a disaster.
Oh! Yes!
Oh, we are all tied up.
Wow.
S.
That's all.
Super secret sauce.
That's good stuff.
What do we call that one, Big J? He didn't even go to tail. He just went. Wow, out of all my years, I never thought about that. Power slide drop in. Can he do it backside?
Oh. The
Remember, he went to tail stall. He went to tail stall.
Oh!
Thrusters at full blast.
Very well executed, I gotta say.
What the heck is this thing? Is that shark wheels?
Of course.
Oh! Oh!
I should have been filming that.
Be careful, Justin Daniel.
Whoa!
So bad. When he did that, did you think, well, this will get no one a letter? Justin Daniels, show them what time it is. He said, let's do the easy ones first.
Alright, tail grab.
Nose blunt tail grab.
I learned this one.
Big Rick slapped it down.
You gotta try harder than that.
Okay.
Watch your mouth, JD.
Wow.
We're gonna be here all day.
Just do a shove it to the bottom.
Oh!
They are professionals, in fact, indeed. The people's champ goes down.
Oh no.
Should I try this one? Weak one, JD?
How is that a weak one? Somebody's getting a letter on this. If he didn't have the new shoes on, he would have had it.
Oh, I like that. Do you like that?
I do.
I think we need to enact a no practicing rule starting now.
No, let the men live. If you drop it on Bert, we'll enact a no practicing rule. I saw that finger cruise.
Whoa! Come on!
I might call.
Come here. Let's get a guest ref in here. You call this set, all right? Give Derek everything you have.
Uh-oh. One trick.
I want to see one trick and one trick only.
He said he wants to see one trick and one trick only. What is that trick?
The Jason.
The easy version.
Wow.
Oh! Come on, up the ante a little bit, JD.
I had a dream the other night that I did this, and then I came here and I didn't.
I love manifesting your dreams.
This girl is on fire.
This girl is on fire.
He's got a beautiful voice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh! Derek!
That was beautiful.
Wow.
Is that a drop in?
Yes.
Whoa.
He fully went for that. And JD takes the lead with one trick.
JD, 2 letters left.
Wow.
Oh no.
No!
Oh my God!
Oh, too short.
Ref interference. Derek would never. Derek is a man of the. Oh! Oh!
Leave it in the comments below. Well, they can do anything out there, these kids. Finger flick fakie.
The water's fine.
That's a no. That's a no, sir, for me.
Just to get this out of the way, wheels must touch before your feet do.
What?
Hippie jump drop in.
Oh!
Jam drop and tail grab.
They must work out.
Yes, yes, yes. No! Did you miss that?
What'd he do?
That's a T!
He's on his last letter.
T to
Trying to go
T!
to switch nose manual.
Jason, they're both at T. You can get them both out right now. You can claim your prize, which is to tickle Derek.
Good Lord.
Why'd you start this? I cannot believe he missed that. He can do that on literally anything. On the Empire State Building, he can do.
No grab.
No grab, no cap. I feel like that's only possible when you're, yay high.
Oh, one more try.
Yeah, rocket.
He's out of here.
My uncle taught me this one. He's in jail now. Or maybe that's not the way.
It's T to T. Send him home. Tail stall kickflip.
Why won't they tail stall kickflip? You could have done the tail stall kickflip. You would have been fine. His whole career has gone from the shrimp stance tail stall kickflip.
Put him out of his misery.
Factory drop in. This is it.
No, we cannot.
Oh, he missed.
Derek, judge this.
Supposed to be a Jason drop-in.
It wasn't a land, right?
Oh.
Spread wider.
Final try.
Alright, here we go. Ah! Dude, why am I thinking so much? Why am I thinking so much? Alright, here we go.
Oh!
Beautiful.
That was good.
Put him out of his misery.
Made Uncle proud.
Oh, no.
I think he's got to call this. No call needed. You know what to do, Justin. Tail stall kickflip.
No, I'm kidding.
Do not.
Tail stall kickflip.
Dreams do come true. He's got 2 tries. This is last letter.
All right. Well, at least I got him to do the Jason.
It was one hand down and he was all the way over here. He's got 2 tries on everything. You gotta go wild. I'm gonna get out on that one first try. Run it back.
That's good.
To dark slide. People love dark slides.
Oh! The winner!
It was beautiful.
Very well done.
He took the board inside.
We hope you enjoyed that video. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.